Hey, how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw blue from Roblox, and yeah, it's gonna be a headshot. Super simple. Let's get started. Gonna go right here, and first thing I do is I'm gonna draw a curve for his head. He's got a round head, so I'm gonna curve. If you don't want to do it all in one shot, do it like I'm gonna do. I'm gonna slow curve like that, right? You don't have to do it all in one shot. Then continue it. Like so, and then keep it going. Continue it like this, right? So you don't have to do it in like, little segments. You can just do it. I'm sorry, you can do it in little segments. You don't do it in one shot, because I know some people are afraid of that. They're kind of afraid of doing it in like one particular shot. Keep going down here. Keep going down here. He's got a relatively skinny neck line. And then I'm gonna go over here. His shoulders kind of eat in there. So I'm gonna go over here, curve for his shoulder. Line over here, same thing on this side. Line over here. See how it kind of inserts there? It's not like next to it, it's just like boom, boom, inserts into that line. Don't forget, hit the subscribe, click the bell notification if you like learning how to draw stuff. I'm gonna go over how to draw everything on this channel, everything, okay? So don't miss out on it. Definitely hit that subscribe. And you gotta click the bell notification or to even get the notifications. So, we're gonna draw him in a certain look right here. So I'm gonna go over here now. I'm gonna draw the one of the eyes. So I'm gonna go around this area, left eye first, like so. Gonna go over here to the other eye, same thing. Right on. Circle, circle. Make them as close as you can, but they don't have to be exact. This one's a little bit bigger than that one on mine. So now we're going to go over here now, and we're going to curve for that smile that he has. Over here now. Curve underneath. Alright. And we're going to have that drippy look that he has, so I'm going to curve right here for kind of some saliva right there. And it's going to drip down. Right there. Okay, so far so good. Hopefully you're with me. Don't forget to say hi to me in the comment section. I reply to every single comment, okay? Every single one. So say hi, and I dare you to, I dare you to dare me to not reply, because I'm gonna reply. All right, let's go over here into the eye. It kind of turns into a button over here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put an X over here. One line over here. Line over here, circle, circle, circle. It looks like a thread being sewn through a button, and that's kind of why it has this little bulge at the very end of those that X, I'm gonna go right here and make it look more like a button by throwing a curve on the inside, and you can make that line a little bit thinner. You don't have to make it quite as thick. You can make it like that, and it would be fine. We can also throw a little bit more, but I would not connect that circle, if that makes any sense. Gonna go over here on this side. Draw another circle in the middle of that. Good, good, good so far. Hopefully you're with me. And then I'm gonna fill that in. All right, just totally fill it in. It doesn't matter what you're using, if it's a marker, pencil, pen. There is a lot of stuff you can use. Just kind of fill it in there. Hopefully you're having a great day. Don't forget, there's lots of videos, and I'm posting more shorts now. But yeah, absolutely request anything you want, and I will totally get to it eventually. And I'm going to fill in this, the open mouth, also dark. I'm just going to fill it in. Hopefully you're having a great day. Tell me what you like about Roblox if you're just watching this and not drawing along. Tell me what you like about Roblox in the comments section. I'll draw a lot more Roblox if you just let me know. You just have to be active and say, hey, what's up? I want more Roblox, right? And I will totally do it. If there's a character from Roblox you want, just kind of push it. And I'll even make a playlist if I do have enough requests. All right, now let's go over here to the kind of the final-ish area of the drawing. We're going to draw his hat. So right here, we're going to draw a crown. So, or kind of like a crown shape. Line down. line over here, line over here, line down there. Good, good so far. One thing that you can do at the very end of this is I can draw a little bit of a thicker line around the entire edge. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna go over here, curve a little bit thicker. If you did those exercises that I talk about on my website, this should be very, very easy to draw over your own line and thicken it out. If you go to sketchingeasy.com, there is a beginner lesson on the front page, and it kind of talks about things you can do to improve your dexterity and how you hold the pencil. So definitely check that out if you have issues with your pen or pencil or marker. One of the exercises is you kind of trace over your line, right? You draw like wobbly line, and you trace over it, and that gives you a lot of control for when you're doing stuff like this. And also, if you want to learn anatomy and you want to learn how to draw in general, go to my Skillshare. That's incredibly important if you do want to learn how to draw in general. There's free lessons on Skillshare. If you join now Skillshare, it'll, you'll pretty much be, you'll see like everything. There's anatomy, faces, poses, anime, all that stuff is on Skillshare, and it's free if you sign up. I think for a month it's free. So go there if you really want to learn. See how that thicker line makes it look a little bit better? It's more striking. You're like, bam. The way you do it is slightly thinner lines on the inside. Sometimes, this is one way to do it. Thick line on the outside for line art, and then slightly thinner lines in the inside for detail. And what that does is it gives it an entire image, and it really gives it a really cool, I don't know, it just gives it a cool look. I'm not sure quite how to explain it. That's one way to do it. Doesn't mean you have to do every single thing that way, but that is one way you can absolutely kind of bring your stuff to life. But yeah, and no matter what it is, by the way, it's just long as it's line art. Let me fill this in. Gonna kind of go over a little bit more. Maybe I'll fix a couple of things right here. You can still fix stuff even though it's marker. Like right here, I can throw another little line right there. Maybe over here, so there's kind of a dimension to it. Other than that, that is pretty much it. What I want you to do is to say hi to me, like I said, in the comment section. Like I said, I'll reply to every single one. Hit the like if you like this. If this was simple enough for you to follow, like you understood, like, okay, easy, that was perfect. You can do it. If you felt that way, absolutely, hit that like. Helps the algorithm out, helps the channel out. But thank you so much. I appreciate it. Remember, okay, I want to say something. Remember, every stroke that you do is basically one more step to greatness, okay? One more step to being, a full-blown artist of your own. So thank you so much. I will see you next time, and I will talk to you very, very, very soon. See ya.